What's going on, T&D squad? Alright, I hope you guys can see me. The sun is going down already, but we do have a Rayquaza here. I don't think this one is boosted. I'm gonna go in with 6 Articunos, and it looks like we have enough people here. I do not know yet, but so far we only have 4 people here. But also I do have some exciting news. On the left, I'm gonna post an image of an announcement that said that we defeated more Rayquazas, so more windy weather Pokemon are gonna be hatched from eggs. And they also said that there might be some new raid bosses, so we don't really know exactly what's gonna happen, but hopefully it's something interesting. All right, we have 6 people in here now. We're about to go in, and there we go. And hopefully I can catch this one. As you guys saw in the other video, I have 2 so far. And in another episode, I'm gonna try to hatch some eggs because I actually have 9 2Ks. Some of them are pretty old, so I don't know if they're going to be Bagons or Beldums. I think you have to get eggs now in order to get those hatches, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, we're doing pretty good here with 6 people. We have almost a quarter of the way down. There we go. And I'm looking forward to the next community day. That's gonna be pretty awesome with Bulbasaur. Hopefully they release the shiny Bulbasaur. I was able to modify a Venusaur image that I got a little while ago. I'm gonna post it on the left over here. I changed the colors a little bit. He would kind of look like that, except for the flower is a lot more yellow. I posted it on Twitter and on Instagram, and a lot of people liked it. So I'm excited for the upcoming community day. It's gonna be awesome. And after this, I'm gonna evolve 2 Pokemon that are gonna be Pokedex entries. I'm finally going to evolve my Cacturne into Cacturne. And alright, my first team went down. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this other team right here. There we go. And I will be evolving my Trapinch into Vibrava. So that's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be a new Pokedex entry. I don't know when I'm gonna get Flygon, but I am looking forward to putting Flygon into my Pokedex. It's a really cool dragon type looking Pokemon. Alright, this is the first time I'm using Walrein, and he is doing pretty good. He's taking a lot of hits. It's not bad, not bad. Alright, he finally went down. I'm on my Golem. There we go. It is definitely cold, as you guys can tell. I'm really bundled up. So we're doing really good, guys. We have him in the red already, 135 seconds. And this should not be boosted, so 2083 is gonna be perfect. All right, I am going to catch him in my car and do the evolutions in my car too. All right, 2048. Okay, 7 golden berries, 6 revives, 3 hyper potions, 1 fast TM, 500 dust, and 20,000 XP, because that was another thing. We're getting double XP until March 16th. It's a little event, I guess. From now until March 16th, double XP. So definitely go out there and grind, guys. I have 8 premium balls. I'm gonna go sit in my car and catch them. I'll see you guys soon. Hold up, guys. So I did get some information that Aerodactyl, Charizard, and Claydol are inside the raid eggs now. So I guess part of this little windy weather event has included them. So now there's new raid bosses, and don't forget there's double XP. But back to Rayquaza. Alright guys, I hope you can see me. The sun is going down already. It's pretty dark. Alright, 2048. We have 8 premium balls. Alright, let's do this. I'm going to use a Nanab. Alright. Alright, that wasn't the best toss. It's okay. 1, 2. Alright. 7 premium balls. Come on, Rayquaza. Come on, Rayquaza. Don't be tough. If I catch him, then I'll be at least halfway to my goal. Ah, man. That was on top of his head. 1, please. 2, 3. There we go, guys. The curse has been lifted. Ah, that is so sweet. There we go. Let's check the stats. Battles with the best, HP, defense, stats are the best I've ever seen. That is awesome, guys. He is a beast. There we go, guys. So, like I said, I wanted to evolve a few Pokemon real quick. Alright. Alright, I want to evolve, like I said, Trapinch to Vibrava. There we go, in the Pokedex. That is awesome, guys, and good job on catching all those Rayquazas. Like I said, Bagon and Beldum are more useful, so it's hard to find their candies too. So now we will definitely be able to find some more. Nice. Vibrava is in the Dex. Sweet. All right, and I do want to evolve. There we go. Let me see if this Cacturne is good. No, this one's not good. I'm going to evolve this one. There we go. Into Cacturne. And this was actually a scene 1 in my Pokedex. So I'm doing really, really good with my Pokedex. I think I'm only missing like 3 more Pokemon. Let me see. Let's check our Pokedex real quick. Yeah, there we go. Actually 4. 357. I've caught 353. Of course, there's a lot more Pokemon that I need to get, but I'm trying to make the seen and the caught even. So I still need to evolve a Carvana into Sharpedo, and a Feebas into Milotis, and I need to hatch a Wynot. So hopefully with the eggs that I have here, I'll be able to hatch them. See, I have 9 2K, so I'm gonna try to do that soon. But that's pretty much it for right now, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and in the comments, let me know what you think about the Bagon and Beldums that are gonna be hatching in the eggs, the windy weather Pokemon basically, and the double XP, guys. Let me know what you think about that. And I do have a question for you guys. Have you joined the TND squad yet? If not, Hulk smash the icon over here on the left, and on the right we'll have some videos you could check out, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys.